And we're just gonna stir it up. This is a real basic crema. I'm going to show you guys how to make the homemade crema. So you can certainly cheat and use your crema that you have. This is Nita Vita's approved crema, and we could have done that tonight. But today I'm going to show you just my own crema that I've made. I do this all different types of ways depending on whether I want it spicy or not spicy. I'm just gonna make a really simple one for you today. So you're gonna get about 2 tablespoons of your sour cream, 2 tablespoons of your mayonnaise. There you go. And then we're gonna take our lime and our cilantro. Chop up your cilantro. That's good enough. There we go, beautiful. And we're gonna take this juicer. This juicer is so wonderful because you can just use it right away and no seeds. Half a lime, 4 tablespoons of your creams. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. From here you could add some spices if you wanna add some chili powder, paprika if you like. We're just gonna add some salt to this crema. And we're just gonna stir it up. This is a real basic crema. And that's it, guys. That's it for your crema. Beautiful. Like I said, add your flavors to that if you want. I'll set that aside.